I will success in my life, not immediately, but definitely. Success is a journey, not a destination. And you know what? Your positive action combined with positive thinking that results in success. Success does not consist in never making mistakes, but in never making the same one a second time. And you know what? What is the secret of success? Believing in yourself is the first secret of success. And one greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Believe in your dreams. They were given you for a reason. We all are connected by a simple wish to be visible, to be here, to know that we matter. Be strong. No, because things will get better. It might be stormy now, but it can't rain forever.